Your problem statement. First, briefly describe your community involvement or the social contributions you make. This could include volunteering time in the local government, hospital, church, library, or otherwise. Include any charitable work or support you provide to others regularly. Next, briefly describe the degree of community service or involvement you'd like to have. Are you donating too much time and money or not enough? Third, list any behaviors, patterns, or circumstances in your life that seem to be out of alignment with the social or community contributions you'd like to be making. What feels contradictory or undermining to your social values? Number 4, summarize those previous answers into a brief sentence or paragraph. Identify any community or social contribution related challenges or gaps in your life that you wish to overcome. This is your external FIRE problem statement.